We are in exercise 2.3 of chapter 2, that is polynomial. Question number 1 reads like this. Find the remainder when x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 is divided by, first option is x plus 1, second you have to divide it by x minus 1 by 2, third x is equal to 0 and x plus pi, and fifth is pi plus 2x. I am doing question number second option for you. We will take let x minus 1 by 2 equal to 0, which implies minus 2 minus 1 by 2 will go there and become x is equal to positive 1 by 2. Now polynomial px is equal to this polynomial, you write down px, fx, qx like that. If there is x here, you write down x. If it is y, you write down y here. It will be what? X cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. To find out remainder, we will have to put the 0 here. X is equal to 1 by 2 is the 0. So p 1 by 2, put it here. Now this is 1 by 2 cube plus 3, 1 by 2 square plus 3, this is 1 by 2 plus 1. This value, wherever there is x, we have put. Here x cube is there, 1 by 2 cube. X square is there, 1 by 2 square. Single x, okay, come on. This is 1 by 8. 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8. Plus 3 into 1 by 4 plus 3, this is 1 by 2 plus 1. Now simplify it, it is 1 by 8. Plus 3 by 4 plus 3 by 2 plus 1 by 1. This LCM of this is 8. 8 ones are 8, so multiply 1. 4 2s are 8, multiply by 2 here. 3 2s are 6. 2 4s are 8, so multiply 4 on the top. 4 3s are 12. And 1 8s are 8, multiply by 8 here. This is, add this 12 plus 8, 20, 20 plus 6, 26 and 127. 27 upon 8. Therefore, 27 upon 8 is the remainder of x cube when x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 is divided by x minus 1 by 2. You can solve this also. For your convenience, I am doing it for you. Come on, I will do it here. Px is equal to how much? This I am doing. Fourth question I am doing it for you. Px is equal to what? Px is equal to this x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. Now let x plus pi is equal to 0. Now transfer pi on that side, it will be what? Which implies x is equal to minus pi. Now this minus pi you put it here. X, wherever x is there, you will put minus pi. Now cube minus pi cube plus 3 minus pi square plus 3 minus pi plus 1. Now minus pi cube, this is minus sign. Minus cube will be minus pi cube. Minus pi square will be positive. So plus 3 pi square plus minus 3 pi plus 1. This is the remainder. Therefore, remainder is equal to minus pi cube plus 3 pi minus 3 pi square minus 3 pi plus 1. Right? I am doing question number 2 for you. Hopefully you will do it this one. I am doing question number 2 for you. I think, come on. Let's do this. Can you do this? Or you want me to do it for you? I think I should do it for you. I'm clearing it and I'm doing question number 5th for you. Question number 5th for you. Px is how much? Px is equal to x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. And let 5 plus 2x is equal to 0. First you transfer plus minus. So it is what? 2x is equal to minus 5, which implies x is equal to minus 5 by 2. Multiply will become divide. Now put this value here. P minus 5 by 2 is equal to x cube means minus 5 by 2 whole cube plus 3 minus 5 by 2 whole square plus 3 minus 5 by 2 plus 1. Wherever there is x cube we have put this. Now put minus cube is minus only. 5 cube 5 into 5 into 5 125. 2 into 2 into 2 8. Minus square is positive. 5 5 is 25. 25 3 is 75 upon 2 square is 4 plus minus minus. This is 15 upon 2 plus 1 means 1 upon 1. Here whole their LCM is equal to 8. 8 ones are so multiply by 1. It will be what? 125. 4 2s are 8 multiplied by 4. 4 2s are multiplied by 2. It is 150. And then 2 4s are 8. So multiply by 4. 15 4s are 60. And 1 8s are so multiply by 8. These two are minus. It is what? Minus 185. And this is plus 158 upon 8. This is what? How much? Plus minus minus 185 minus 158. This is 7. This is 2. Sign will be a greater number. Minus 27 upon 8 is the remainder when Px is divided by x plus 2x.